Okay guys, so we're just going to get in and finish up the last two problems, so this video should be fairly short. So if you look at this, at number 4, we have our coefficients up front, our numbers, right? 3, 6, and -2. So I'm just going to multiply them together. They have nothing to do with the exponents. Those are just numbers up front. So 3 times 6 is 18. 18 times -2 is going to give us -36. Okay, then I have a squared, a to the 4th, and a, which is really a to the 1st. I'm multiplying all of them. They have the same base, so I add the exponents. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So that would be a to the 7th. And then lastly, I have b, b, and b. Oh, actually not lastly, because we have a c in this one. So I have b to the 1st, b to the 1st, b to the 1st. Same bases, multiplying together, add the exponents. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, so b to the 3rd. Then I have this c at the end, which is just by itself, so it'll just come right down. So in your final answer, -36, a to the 7th, b to the 3rd, c. Okay? Last one, number 5. All we have to do here is we have a power raised to a power. Base stays the same. At power raised to a power, I multiply the exponents. 9 times 3 is 27. So b to the 27th would be my answer. Okay. So if you are 7th period and you are watching this, you can just go ahead and pause and stop the video. If you are 6th period and you are watching this, we do not have a live meeting scheduled right after this, but you will be getting an email from me where I will be making myself available. You will probably be getting that on Wednesday morning. So it'll be totally optional. You will not be required to meet with me, but if you have questions and you would, I will be finding a time for us to kind of get together. Again, totally optional. You are not required to be doing it, but it is something that if you really want to get to be able to talk to me and ask me any clarifying questions, we will find a time to do that. Okay, so other than that, you are good to go.